Hi guys, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about the Kaizen method. What is it and how do you use it to help you learn Python? Let's get into it. And so we're going to talk about the Kaizen way. So let's write that here. Kaizen. And so basically, this way was developed by a guy called Dr. Fleming. Dr. Deming. I can't read my own writing. Dr. Deming. And so after World War II, Dr. Deming went to Japan. Just drawing the red sun here. He went to Japan and basically started what the Japanese call the Kaizen way. And so basically it starts off with asking the person who's in charge of the factory, what extremely small step can I take to improve the process or product? So think of it as a staircase. So let me try to draw a staircase here. First time for everything, right? I apologize if my staircase does not look symmetrical. I do not have any guides, so I would appreciate if you guys gave me a little break there. But so basically, let me change paint colors here. You're starting from way down here. So this would be your extremely, how do you spell it? Oh, okay, extremely small step. Get those easy. So you'd be here, and in the manufacture process, let's say I want to use one less screw, for example. And so that you go up one step. And then next, I want to save a couple seconds and have the worker not have to move to two stations and do everything from one station. That's another step. What was the next one? I want to use better materials on our manufacture process so that they don't break down as often. That's another step. And you can see how this progression goes up and up and up like this. And so so that's basically the main idea after the Kaizen method. And in the practical sense of how this would apply to Python is that you learn the basic functions of Python, like variables and mathematical operators, and then you learn about functions, and then you learn more about object-oriented programming, and you can also see the progression with Python doing that. The other idea in the Kaizen way is the idea of small rewards. So I'm gonna try to draw a small trophy here. So let's see if I can do it. Ooh, ding, ooh, ding. Let's use some handles, some love handles right there. Yeah. So small rewards. So an example of a small reward is giving yourself a compliment when you've gotten out of bed, for example. I know, right? Very basic. And say, good job, Ralph. And it'd start from there, right? And you give another self a compliment for brushing your teeth. Draw a toothbrush here. brushing your teeth, combing your hair, things like that, right? And so you give yourself compliments, right? Or maybe a little bigger reward is you're going to treat yourself to a Tim Hortons donut after you do that workout, right? And I was thinking, how does this apply to Python? How can you give yourself a reward? And a neat idea that Angela Yu, one of the instructors in Udemy, does is she suggests you go on to Twitter. Just draw a bird here. All right, I apologize. It looks like a poodle, but it's a bird. It's a bird, okay? And you go on to Twitter and you tweet, 100 days of code, and you say, I just finished day 10, right? And you get encouragement from other people who would like your tweet and share your tweet, right? Yeah, so eventually through all this process, you finally climb, the hill, and then the larger hill, and the larger hill. So you're going up, and finally you get to a place where you achieve your goal for that day, year, month, whatever it is, right? And that ends up giving you the experience of feeling joyful, happy, excited. I'm supposed to say yeah here. And yeah, you get a chance to finally see your progress. You came from where you were before, which was like right here, and now you're on the fence. So not a fence. You're on one of the peaks of your mountains. Now, obviously, realistically, there's all more peaks to climb, but at this, point in time, you're celebrating because even though you may not, reach your ultimate goal, which may be like way out here, but at least you've made the progress where you're doing from a small goal to a medium-sized goal to a medium-large goal to a large goal, right? And think of it like McDonald's, right? You have your small cup, your medium cup, and your large cup. Yeah, I gotta work on my metaphors, but that's the best thing I can think of right now. But anyways, this is the Kaizen way. And thanks for watching my video about the Kaizen method. If you want to see more of my videos, I just recently made a video about for loops in Python over here, which you can watch. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.